Welcome back. I'm here with another Photoshop tutorial. Today we are going to learn another text effect in Photoshop, and our design is this one. By the end of this tutorial, you can create designs that would freeze your audience. Step number 1. Background. I will use this downloaded image as my background, but it needs some changing. Look at this area. We have different colors and the colors needs to be fixed. So for doing that, I told you many different ways of changing color in my previous tutorials. If you don't know how to change a color, just click on the link. Now, select your layer. Double click on it for going into effects. Enable the color overlay. Blend mode, hue, opacity 100%, and color for this one should be set to 205 in hue, 65% of saturation, and 75% of brightness. Press on OK. Now, as you can see, the color theme of my background has been changed totally, and now we can say the problem is half solved. But we need to apply another effect for solving the problem totally. Come here and click on this icon, and now you have another color overlay. Come to the new color overlay and just change the blend mode to color. And now, as you can see, we don't have any difference in our colorful pixels, and our background for the tutorial is ready. Step number 2. Let's bring on some text. When we need a text in Photoshop, we are going to just click on horizontal type tool and click on our scene and type anything that we would like. But if you would like to increase the speed of your work, just press T word on your keyboard, and now you can type anything that you would like. Text is set, and now it's time for effects and filters. When your text is ready, make it selected and drag it to this icon and create a duplicated layer. After that, create a new layer and click the duplicated layer and the new one, right-click on one of them and merge the layers. After that, turn off the eye of the main layer. Now come to Filter, come to this part and click on Wind. Method is wind and direction is from the right. Press on OK. Now, we need to do it one more time. You can just click on this one and another time. Now, I will rotate my text into many different directions and I will repeat the filter.
A few moments later.
Filters have been applied on my text and it's the final result. Now, let's go for some effects. Select your layer and double click on it. In blending option, decrease the fill opacity to 0%. After that, enable the bevel and emboss. Style inner bevel, technique chisel soft, depth 100%, direction up, size 21 pixel is okay. Soften 0 pixel, angle should be changed to 120 degree, and check the use global light, altitude 30 degree is okay, and in gloss contour, select this one. And don't check the anti-aliased, and in highlighted mode, normal opacity 100%, color pure white. For the shadow mode, it's the same, normal 100% of opacity and pure white. Now, press on OK. Some of us should say that it's okay and it should do, but if you would like a better result, just follow me. It's time for the main layer of our text. At first, turn on the eye. Come to your text, and in blending option, decrease the fill opacity. Now, enable the inner shadow. Blend mode normal, and the color should be pure white. Opacity 100%, angle 120 because we've checked the use global light, All angles of effects should be the same. Distance 0 pixel, choke 0%, and size 120, and no, something around 90 pixel is better. Now, it's time for another effect. Come to inner glow. Blend mode linear dodge. Opacity should be something around 15%, and the color is pure black. Size for this one should be set to something like 30 pixel, and in quality, change your contour to this one. After that, we need an outer glow for blending these pixels. Look at this one. If I go closer, you can see we have difference between our text and our subject after we have applied the filters. Come to outer glow. Blend mode should be set to normal. Opacity 900% for now, and the color should be changed to white. Range should be 100%, and now let's decrease the opacity, and let's decrease the size. And now, when these two areas are blending better with each other, by pressing on OK, you will have a fantastic result. Well done, my friend. Now you know more Photoshop techniques that can freeze your audience. If you would like this process to be repeated, subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends. Now you will see the final result.